work, smart work is one of the things that you need if you want to be successful in your business. Guys, let me take you on a journey and let's dive into this. So, you started a new business, guys. I am so proud of you. I am so happy of you. Abby, happy about you. But hear me out once again. That you actually started a business doesn't mean that that business is going to be profitable or successful. But don't worry, we are going to get there. In this video, guys, I am going to be sharing with you or showing you 10 tips that can help you to grow your business into a profitable, successful business that can be making you money. A lot of people start business today, and before you know it, boom, that business closes up. But I don't want that to happen to you right now because you now have me a Ebys Lady. I am going to be showing you those things. Let's dive into this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Now let's dive into this video. Number one, tips that you need to know if you want to start a successful business and build your business into something that you can be very, very proud of is you need to write out your business plan. Writing your business plan is one of the things that can help you in growing a profitable business that can make you money. Because writing a business plan helps you to identify your market. It helps you to identify the needs of your market as well as knowing the profitability time frame of your business. This is like a map that can navigate you, like a guideline that can help you. So you need to write down your business plan. Number two is to limit your expenses. Studies have it that money is one of the problems that make people to lose their business. If you're spending unnecessarily extravagantly, running a business is not going to work, especially when you are starting in the first place. You want to buy everything, make sure you are buying things, spending your money on the necessary things that you need to spend your money. Don't look at your competitors, don't look at what they are doing, don't look at what they have. Focus on your own because you don't even know how many years that they have been grinding to get to where they are. So focus on the things that you actually need to move your business forward. Don't get things that you don't actually need. Number three is to pay your business and not yourself. A lot of people don't know that once they start making money in their business, they start spending money, paying yourself, paying themselves, or doing some certain things. In the first place that you started your business, you need to start paying your business. All the money that is coming that time needs to be reinvested into that business. You need to put it into advertising or marketing more to get more customers or people into the business. It is not yet time to pay yourself. After you have achieved your aim, then you can now start paying yourself. But firstly, all the money should be going back to the business so that the business can grow and make money. Then the next one is to be selective. Not all the information that is flying is important for your business. So you need to start selecting the information that your business needs more. Only the information that can stimulate growth to your business, that is the only one that you can select. A lot of people can come and say, do this now. You don't have this. Hey, do this. Do not listen to those information. Select the ones that can only grow your business. Then number five is your customers. Customer is king, just like you said. They say your customer is the king. You need to identify the needs of your customers, either product or services. Any product or services that you're doing and is not making your customer happy, it doesn't worth it. If you don't do it like that, maybe you like something, you say, I like this, I like that. You like this. Do your customer love those things that you like? So you need to start doing the things that your customers like, either through products or through services. Have a good services to them. Take care of your customers. In that way, you will be seeing money. You will be successful. It's very, very important to make sure that you make your customer, very, very happy. The next one is to be creative. For you to attain a successful height in your business and start making money and be a successful business. You need to be creative. You need to look for ways that you can improve in your business by looking for new trends, new updates on that your particular business that you are doing. In this way, your business is going to grow and is going to be successful. The next thing is to be consistent. You need to be consistent, not today. Maybe there's no market today, and because of that, you start having kind of a double mind. You need to be putting out content. You need to continue grinding. You don't know how long it takes for some people to make it doing their business. I remember when I started my Facebook, I opened my Facebook, I think my Facebook page a year, and nobody was liking what I was doing. I was still posting. I did not stop. Then another this sponsored ad, I got like 700 followers. And after that again, even if I post, nobody is commenting. And one day, because I keep on posting, I keep on grinding, I share just one post. I was looking for ways to make sure that my business or my followers grow. Before you know it, I made one post. Under 3 months, I jumped from 700 to 42,000 followers on my Facebook. So no matter what is happening, you need to keep grinding into that business. That is consistency is one of the keys that can help you to make it in your business. The next one is to network. There are people, other people that are doing the same business that you have. You need to make friends with them, and you people can still network and look out for each other, look out for everything together. It is more better like that. Maybe to reach out to people that are in the same industry with you. It works very, very well. The next thing you need to do is to watch the numbers. Take record of your business. Keep taking accounts. Don't lose focus. Take account, keep taking details, and keep recording it to know which one is moving and which one is not moving for you. Take account of your markets, take account of different things that you are doing. Have a record. Detailed record is very, very important. And the next one, number 10, is to wait for success. Rome was not built in a day. So it takes time to be successful. Some people have different time limits of growth. Some it might take them 6 months, some it might take them 1 year, some it might take them 2 years, 5 years, 3 years. So you can see that it takes time for you to be successful. So don't give up. Monitor your business, keep grinding, and before you know it, you will start, making money in your business. It takes time, but don't lose focus. Keep grinding and, keep being positive. And before you know it, this is how you are going to be successful in your business. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please hit on the notification button, subscribe to my channel, like, share, ask any questions. If you have any question that you want to chat with me privately, you can send an email at my email. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Bye bye, guys, and see you next time.